Hello and welcome to the Lowdown. I'm Dan Carter and I'm here with Ally Burt, Global Head of Customer Experience for the AWS Enterprise Skills Transformation team. AWS Training and Certification has been supporting organizations for many years, specifically with their cloud enablement journeys, helping large enterprises succeed through bespoke training enablement initiatives.
Over the past 18 months, we've been bringing technology leaders together to share their experiences discussing what best-in-class cloud enablement looks like. From these discussions, we've been able to garner trends and insights into some of their top challenges and opportunities when it comes to them delivering their own cloud enablement programs.
The Lowdown is a series where we'll be sharing some of these observations with you, showcasing some of the examples from our customers, and also giving you the insights on how they themselves have overcome those challenges. So, let's get right in. Today, Ali and I will be discussing why organizations need to bridge the gap between business and technical teams and how to create a long-lasting impact for their organization linked to their enablement programs. So, Ali, what's the benefit of organizations actually overcoming this type of challenge?
It's about bringing both the business and technical teams together to learn and develop a common understanding of cloud. Having technology training available to non-technical business roles is an important factor to align the different teams under the vision to work together towards achieving the same business goals. This is why we're now seeing more CIOs becoming part of commercial strategy conversations as technology underpins the business objectives.
So Ali, we've seen that training can help different teams speak the same language, which actually then means they can communicate more fluently when they're working together on technology projects. Do you have an example from a customer where they've successfully navigated this?
For sure, Dan. I love sharing the example of Village Roadshow. They ran a competition-based innovation program. This saw their employees utilise digital training to earn points to help accelerate their learning journeys. The teams then collaborated together to develop innovation ideas which focused on improving their end-user customer experience. Gamification was a key part of their strategy. This helped to bring people together from different parts of the business by giving them one common goal. The mix of business and technical teams collaborating together helped to develop a shared language around cloud internally, and this built a unified understanding of cloud technology and innovation.
That's such a great example, Ali, and also reinforces the importance for people to collaborate together and understand how their own learning impacts their own customers' experience directly as well.
Yes, and another great example of business and technical teams learning together is from Petronas. Petronas ran a large upskilling program and successfully created pathways for people to encounter technology. What stood out for me was their virtual deep racer events. In these events, participants used machine learning to race a virtual car using reinforcement learning models. People from all over the organisation could participate in this event and upskill on machine learning.
Deep racer events are great, but what really impressed you specifically about this one from Petronas?
In the end, this one was actually won by a finance department team member who didn't have a technical background at all. She not only won the competition as the first female winner, but also achieved the quickest lap time in all of Malaysia.
I love that story. That's actually so inspiring when you think about it.
It's a great example of how successfully making technology available to all employees can really benefit the entire organisation.
And I think a key takeaway from this episode for me is the importance of making the training available to everyone across the organisation, regardless of where they sit, which ultimately will make sure they're all speaking the same language fluently and help the organisation achieve their goals as well. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next episode of The Lowdown.